All right, so we're starting off with 2 cans of cherry pie filling, and this is in my Christmas tree aluminum pan. It's not plastic. I know a few of you guys got worried last time I used this. This is a metal pan. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna come in with my cheesecake no bake. Oh my goodness, this is gonna go so well with that cherry cheesecake or with that cherry pie filling. We're gonna grab a little scooper and we're gonna scoop some pieces of this cheesecake right on top of this cherry pie filling. Oh my goodness. I don't know about you guys, but I love cherry and cheesecake together. It's just the ultimate combination. And what we're gonna do today is just gonna make it even better. Oh yeah, just kind of get a nice, little cheesecake amount around your pan. Doesn't need to be all over, but we want some cheesecake in each bite, right babe?
Yeah, I definitely agree. Yeah, make sure you get some in the stem right there.
Maybe a little bit right there, huh?
Yeah. More the merrier.
Okay.
More the Merry Christmas Earth.
Beautiful. Now, before we go on to the next step, I'm just gonna bring back my spatula and kind of just flatten those cheesecake scoops onto those cherries. It doesn't need to be marbled or mixed or anything like that. We just need a flat surface for this next step. Ooh, doesn't that look delicious?
Yeah, we might need to add a little bit more.
I think that's perfect, actually. We don't want it to be too sweet.
Oh.
Right?
Okay. Yeah, I agree.
All right, because the next thing we're adding is the super moist French vanilla cake mix. And we're gonna add that all on top of our cheesecake and cherry pie filling. Oh my goodness, look how delicious this is coming together. Okay.
Yum, it smells phenomenal.
I know, right? And we're just gonna use our clean hands and kind of just flatten that cake mix. We want a nice flat surface for this dessert. All these flavors are gonna go so well together. Oh my, I'm so excited. Now you could use, a yellow cake mix or a white cake mix, whatever you want. If you want chocolate with this, do a chocolate cake mix. But I really like the vanilla flavors with that cheesecake and that cherry pie filling. Now we're on to our last step and we're gonna add our sliced butter right on top of that cake mix. We're not gonna mix anything. We're just placing these right on top so that this can cook up that cake mix. We don't need any eggs, we don't need any oil. We just need this butter and that delicious cherry cheesecake combination that we made underneath. Oh yeah.
Whoa, this is like super innovative.
Yeah, and super delicious. And it's gonna look so cute in this adorable Christmas tree pan. I got this pan on Amazon last year. I'm sure they still have it though because it's Wilton brand and Wilton is pretty consistent. Okay, and we are just placing these little butter slices, trying to cover up each, little area of our cake mix. I'm gonna grab another stick. Now you can use salted or unsalted. I just usually only have salted in my house, so that's what I'm using. But if you're worried about your sodium, use the unsalted. It won't make a huge difference in the taste. Okay, almost done here. Yummy. This is looking so good, right, babe?
Yeah, it definitely is. Those butter slices are thick.
Okay, so we're gonna use about 1.5 sticks of butter, and this is ready. Okay, my oven is set to 375, and this is gonna cook for 45 minutes. Look at that, our beautiful Christmas dessert. Oh my goodness, it looks so good, right babe?
Yeah, it looks so good. Nice
All
and
right,
crispy.
so this is a scooping kind of dessert. Let's go ahead and get a nice, oh my goodness, look at that cheesecake. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's perfectly cooked.
A
Whoa.
nice crust on top. I'm gonna get a little bit more. Oh my goodness, that is looking so delicious. It's just like a delicious cheesecake cherry cobbler. And you guys know, can't do it without some Ready Whip, right?
Yeah, the dogs are gonna go crazy.
I know, they love this stuff. Woo!
Spinning in circles.
Okay, let's go ahead, try this cherry cheesecake deliciousness. It looks so good.
It looks hot.
Oh my gosh. That is so good, you guys. You have to try it.